And by the end of our deliberations today, it is my hope that this committee will consider all the arguments from day 1 until today, from March 2 until March 4, and be prepared to vote on the sufficiency in substance of both the third and the fourth impeachment complaints. This is not about personalities. This is not about political convenience. Hindi ito laban ng kampo. Ito ay usapin ng konstitusyon.
Tatapusin na ngayong araw ng House Justice Committee yung deliberasyon sa sufficiency in substance ng ika-4 na reklamong impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Itong ika-4 na reklamong impeachment ay inihain ng isang abogadong nagngangalang Nathaniel Cabrera at inendorso ng 2 majority members, partikular na ni House Deputy Speaker Paulo Ortega V at Manila 6th District Representative Benny Abante. Ayon kay House Justice Chairperson at Batangas 2nd District Representative Jervil Luistro, pag natapos na yung deliberations dito sa sufficiency in substance ng ika-4 na reklamo, pagbobotohan na ng House Justice Panel kung sufficient in substance yung third and fourth impeachment complaint.